Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. We are learning PowerPoint and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for today's session is hyperlinks and action buttons. As you already know that we have discussed about the hyperlinks, we'll continue with the action buttons in this section. Right. So we have discussed a few things about the action buttons and we'll continue with this to test an action button from this session. We have learned how to insert an action button on this slide and we have learned how to insert an action button on all these slides. So the other thing is that how do you test an action button, edit an action button and change the appearance of the action button. So let's say first of all let me insert an action button here. You need to click on insert. Then click on shapes. In the bottom you will get certain action buttons. Let's say we select this type. Now you can click anywhere and you have got the action button here. Now we have discussed about the mouse click and the mouse over options. In the mouse click, let's say we select this hyperlink to the next slide. If we want to select next slide, select this next slide and play the sound. You can select any, we can leave that as well. Alright, so we have inserted the action button. Now you want to test it. Then how do you do it? You need to run the slideshow. Click on the slideshow and then you can select option from current slide. You have got the action button here. Now the action we have performed is that we'll click on this and it will take you to another slide. You click here and you are on the next slide. The next slide after this is the last one. So this is the option that how do you test the action button, that whether it's working properly or not. The other thing is that to edit an action button, if you want to change some action or you want to change, means you want to edit your action button, then how do you do it? Select the action button, click on insert. Now, here you have got the two options, hyperlinks and actions. Once you click on the actions, you will get the same box here, where you have selected the hyperlink to the next slide. Let's say this time we want to change it to the previous slide, that whenever we click on this it will take you to the previous slide. Now select this and click on OK. Now again we want to test this action button, that whether it's working properly or not. Click on the slideshow from current slide. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Okay, so previously we have clicked on this and it has taken you to the last slide, that was thank you. And now this time let's say if we click on this, where it will take you, click on this and we are on the previous slide. So in this way we can say it's working properly fine. We have tested it. Press the escape key, you're back here. So this is how you can edit the action button and this is how you can test the action button. Next thing we are going to discuss about to change the appearance of an action button. Click on the action button. You have got the drawing tool, this option here. Now you have got the style or color. These styles, these are the all style shape styles here. You can select. So by moving your mouse on the different options, you can give a different shape style to the action button. So this is how you can change the shape style for the action button. And if you want to change the shape of the action button, then you need to click on edit shape in the insert. Edit shape here. Change shape. If you want to change the shape, let's say this one you want to select, you can click here. and again you need to perform the action that we have selected the home icon, so we want to select the first slide here. Whenever we want to click on this, it will take you to the first slide. Click on OK. So this is how you can change the appearance also, and you can edit the shape as well. You can altogether select a new shape for your action button. You want to test it that whether it's working fine or not. Select it from the current slide we have selected. Now click on the action button and it will take you to the first slide, that is Edupedia World. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. So this is how your action buttons work. You can create certain buttons and you can link to the different slides also, and you can link to perform some different actions. You can give the sounds also, that you want to click here, it will perform a sound as well as it will perform an action. So this is how these buttons work. So that was it for today's session. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.